Top 5 Best Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder. Hey everyone, James here. Looking for the best option before you buy? In this video, we're counting down the top products available right now. We've compared features, performance, value, and customer feedback to help you find the right choice. Links to all products are in the description below. Let's get started. Number 5. BELRIGO Electric Salt and Pepper Mill Set. If you're tired of manually grinding salt and pepper or struggle with arthritis, this battery-operated set might be your new kitchen favorite. It's designed for effortless one-handed operation. Just flip it upside down, and gravity does the work, activating the grinding mechanism automatically. The coarseness adjusts seamlessly, so whether you want fine powder or coarse flakes, it's just a twist away. Build quality feels solid, with washable ABS hoppers that resist stains and odors. The LED light is a nice touch for low-light cooking, and the lightweight design makes it easy to handle. But there's a trade-off. Each grinder needs 6 AAA batteries, and you'll get about 200 grinds per set. That's fine for occasional use, but heavy cooks might find it annoying. Compared to manual grinders, this option saves time and strain, especially for those with joint pain. It's not perfect, but for convenience and accessibility, it's a strong contender. Number 4. Circle Joy Auto Gravity Electric Salt and Pepper Mill Set. If you hate fumbling with manual grinders or twisting your wrist endlessly, these gravity-activated electric salt and pepper mills are a game changer. Just tilt them sideways, and the built-in ceramic grinding mechanism kicks in automatically. No buttons, no cranking. The adjustable coarseness dial lets you switch from fine powder to coarse chunks with a simple twist, which is perfect for everything from delicate sauces to bold steak seasoning. Testing these indoors and outdoors, the bright LED light was surprisingly useful. No more guessing if you've over-seasoned during late-night cooking or dim barbecue setups. Battery life is solid, but the 8 AAA requirement is a bit heavy. Rechargeables would have been nicer. Compared to manual grinders or even higher-end electric models, this one-handed operation is sleek, though it might not hold up under constant restaurant abuse. For home cooks wanting convenience without sacrificing precision, this is a smart upgrade. Just keep spare batteries handy. Number 3. ThermoMaven Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. If you're tired of constantly refilling tiny salt and pepper grinders or dealing with inconsistent seasoning, this might be the upgrade you need. The ThermoMaven set solves 2 big kitchen headaches: frequent refills and uneven grinding. Each grinder holds 110 ml. That's 2.5 times more than most standard models, so you won't be cracking them open every other day. The rechargeable battery lasts ages, and the ceramic grinding mechanism stays sharp, keeping flavors pure without corrosion. I tested all 6 coarseness settings, and the adjustment wheel delivers precise control from fine powder to coarse cracks. The stainless steel build feels premium, and the built-in LED is a nice touch for low-light kitchens. Yes, it's bulkier than manual grinders, but the trade-off is worth it for the capacity and convenience. For large families or anyone who cooks often, this option cuts down on kitchen clutter while delivering consistent results. Just charge it occasionally, and you're set. Number 2. IONIX Electric Salt and Pepper Grinder Set. If you're tired of struggling with manual grinders or disposable pepper mills, this rechargeable electric set might be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Designed for home cooks who want precision without the effort, it delivers consistent seasoning with just one hand, no twisting required. The ceramic grinding core stays sharp for years, and the 6-level external adjustment lets you go from fine powder to coarse flakes instantly. I tested it with everything from delicate sea salt to hard peppercorns, and it handled both without clogging. The 100 milliliters hopper means fewer refills, and the USB-C charging is a nice touch. You'll get weeks of use on a single charge. My only gripe? The color options are limited, and the lack of branding might make it harder to track down replacements. But for under $50, this is a solid pick over pricier name-brand models. Just don't expect flashy looks. It's all about function here. Number 1. Cuisinart EGS 8 Electric Salt and Pepper Mill Set. If you're tired of twisting traditional grinders or dealing with uneven seasoning, this battery-powered set could be the upgrade your kitchen needs. Designed for home cooks who want precision without the effort, it offers one-handed operation perfect for seniors or anyone with limited grip strength. Just press the top button, and the ceramic blades deliver consistent results every time, with 5 adjustable coarseness levels to match anything from fine baking salt to cracked peppercorns for steak night. The built-in LED light is a thoughtful touch for low-light seasoning, and the large capacity means fewer refills. During testing, it handled everything from Himalayan pink salt to dense black peppercorns without clogging, though occasional cleaning helps maintain performance. Compared to manual grinders, it's noticeably faster, though keep in mind it runs on 4 AAA batteries, not included. For effortless, restaurant-quality seasoning at home, this is a solid pick with durable construction that feels worth the investment. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for product links and current pricing. We'll see you in the next one.